In today's video, I'm gonna try the Impossible Burger from Burger King. So a couple weeks ago, Burger King rolled out their Impossible Whopper using impossible meat, basically fake meat. It's not like bean patties like the traditional vegan fake meat. It's something else. I don't know what it is, but I've had Impossible beef before, and I was out and about and I was like, I'm gonna stop and get this Impossible Burger Whopper because I've been hearing a lot of hype. I wanted to see if it was as good as the Whopper. I'm not a Burger King fan. Let's just be honest about that to get started. I'm not a Whopper fan. Hi, can I have an Impossible Whopper? I'm gonna get one for Donovan, and I'm not gonna tell him that it's impossible. And I wanna see what he says. So when I went to go get this burger, the guy said that lots of people are buying it, so that's good. Are you guys selling a lot of Impossible Whoppers?
Yeah, we are.
Yeah?
We eat a lot of them. They're really good.
Are they? You like them?
Yeah, I do.
And that every time he eats a Whopper now, he eats the Impossible Whopper.
Every time I think of it.
Really?
Yeah.
Awesome. Cool.
Have a nice day.
You too. He likes them. Thank you. Smells better than beef. So that is very exciting. It's gonna be kind of a mukbang. Not really, because it's just this one burger. I don't really eat massive amounts of food. I guess a traditional mukbang would be just like me pigging out, but I stopped eating big portions a while ago because I wanted to lose weight and feel better, and I noticed that when I overeat, it gives me reflux and indigestion, and I can't sleep, and then I have cramps, and then I gain weight and all kind of bad stuff. So I'm only gonna eat the burger. On this Whopper,
ketchup, pickle, cheese, put that patty in between it.
All the tomatoes are on one side. All the ketchup is on the other side. So let me go ahead and rearrange that. I doubt this is vegan because it does have mayo on it. So for you vegans, if you're looking for a vegan Whopper, I don't know. I am not vegan, although I love vegan food because I believe in eating shit tons of vegetables. And if the entire meal you're eating is made out of vegetables, then you're just eating vegetables. But I do eat meat on occasion. It does smell a lot different than a regular Whopper. It doesn't smell as charbroiled. So let's see. So the patty looks kind of flat and dry. Kind of tastes a little bit dry. But it tastes like a burger. It kind of tastes like a Whopper. So the number one thing that I did to lose weight when I started losing weight was I stopped drinking my calories. Instead of ordering a soda, I'm just drinking water. And I didn't order fries because that's a ton of calories. One burger is a big enough portion for me. It's delicious. The thing that I don't like about Whoppers usually is there's just smell that gets on your hands and in your clothes and in your mouth, and you just feel you are a Whopper for the whole day. And I don't feel like I'm getting that with this. I don't feel as heavy and like oily when I eat the alternative meats. Vegetarians rejoice because this is a great alternative. Donovan just got home.
I don't know what's happening.
I got you a Whopper.
A Whopper.
Yeah.
Okay. What am I gonna
There's no trick. I just want you to eat it and tell this camera what you think.
Okay. Are Whoppers always this big?
Yes.
I wish they looked like the picture. It's really disappointing. There's like barely any ketchup on it. Like at all.
Do you want some ketchup?
Yes, please. What's the point of this?
I'll tell you in like 5 seconds.
Okay.
What do you think? Is it good?
Of course, it's a Whopper.
It tastes like a Whopper?
Yeah.
It's impossible.
I mean, is this really a Whopper? It tastes way better than a Whopper. It tastes way better than a Whopper. It tastes way better than a Whopper.
It does?
It does. What did you do to this hamburger?
I didn't do anything to it. It's not meat.
It's not?
Mm-mm.
It tastes like a hamburger. What is this?
It's impossible meat.
Oh, that's what that meant? Oh, really?
Yeah.
This tastes amazing. I didn't know this wasn't like meat. It tastes like meat. It tastes like meat. It tastes like meat. That's weird. What is this? What is it?
I don't know what it's made of.
But it's amazing.
But it's not beef. It's not animal. It's plant-based.
This is better than a normal Whopper. And it doesn't taste gross when you eat it either. Usually when you eat like fast food, like meats, it kind of makes you feel like crap. This doesn't like feel like crap when you're eating it.
It is flame grilled to perfection. The wrapper does not lie. Well, that is it for my little mini Impossible Whopper mukbang. Let me know if you've tried Burger King's Impossible Whopper or if you've tried Impossible Meat at another restaurant that maybe I should try. It's just the best. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed watching me mukbang. Bye!